English, spoken by 952 million people around the world. A new word is added to the English language every 2 hours, and around 4,000 words are added each year to this, the English Dictionary, an evil book compiled by the evil Dr. Johnson in 1755. The second longest word in this satanic document, hippopotamonstrosuscriptdaliophobia, which means the fear of long words. Who would do that? Okay, it's not really in the dictionary. But before this, the great William Shakespeare had already added many, many ridiculous and completely useless words.
Thou sodden-witted lord, thou hast no more brain than I have in mine elbows. Thou dispensed, congreted, pell-mell, trampled, sluggardized, poo-poo, noggin head.
Well, Shakespeare added the silly words. It was another infamous William who, years later, in the drug-fueled 1960s, added sillier ways of saying these very silly words.
I'm losing command. I'm losing the Enterprise. The ship is sailing on and on. I'm alone. Alone.
And now? Well, people are combining words together to make even sillier words. Hungry and angry, hangry. Ridiculous, but shouldn't we all just chill and relax? If you can speak English, you stand a chance, but if you can't, over 80% of the information stored on computers is English. The word Q sounds exactly the same, even if you take away the last 4 letters. There are 7 ways to spell the E sound in English, and this sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas. You also have this silliness. And this.
I'm very well acquainted too with matters mathematical. I understand equations both for simple and quadratical. About binomial theorem, I'm teeming with a lot of news. Lot of news. Got it.
So how do you navigate this ridiculousness? Well, I'm here to help. The most used adjective in the English language is the word good. But let's aim for gooderest. Okay, but in all seriousness, I am qualified in these things, and I am offering some bespoke lessons to get you to feel more confident in speaking English, whether that's for presentations or something else. Here's a list of lessons I've done before, and hopefully you'll contact me for a free consultation where we can talk about a specific learning plan for you. So, hopefully, see you soon.
Hippopotamus script. Hippopotamus script. Hippopotamus script. Aliophobia. Hippopotamus script. Aliophobia.